Welcome to another edition of the Just Smells So Good Nation. I'm your host, Roosevelt. Today we're going to talk about health and wellness. And thank you for all the subscribers who subscribed today on this channel. And welcome to the Just Smells So Good Nation. Thank you for all my people who purchase consulting with me, Van Zell. We're going to work on your business. We're going to work on your business in the next 30 days to help you increase your income, my brother. I'm going to help you do that, brother. You're going to get them sales up. And I appreciate your business, brother. Another thing I wanted to speak to you about, and getting your health right, man. Eating the right foods. Lately, I've been on eating the right food, man, getting my health in order. For the last 2 years, I've been a client of Melaleuca Health and Wellness Company. Now, do I do the business as them? No, I do not. It's not even a network marketing company. It's a health and wellness company. They just happen to pay me a small commission to tell you about them. That's it. Small commission. I like that commission. And lately I haven't said anything about it because there was no need. It just my little secret that I, buy the products for them. But now I see what's going on in the world, and I believe that some people need to get on a great nutritional wellness plan. I'm 50 plus. Guess what? And I'm as healthy as my doctor tells me that I am. And I take a aspirin a day. I'm not on the medications and nothing such as that. I take vitamins, right? Nutritional vitamins that help my structure and my nuclear system, my nuclear universe. Helps my white blood cells and my red blood cells. And my oxygen intake. Helps me my arthritis, it helps me my libido, and more. If you're interested in something like that as a customer, not as a person who wants to be a distributor, just a person who wants to be a regular customer, send me an email at justsmellsogood@gmail.com. justsmellsogood@gmail.com. Now, if you're interested in the business aspect of our business, get in, send me an email both ways. You can get in the business for $1. They run promotionals. You can get in for $1. But overall, the membership is $19.99 per year. Small amount of money to get in. I say $19 is not even $5 a month. It's like not even $2. I think it's $1.75 a month. Maybe that. Plus and minus. I want you to read some great books here. Eat and Live. And I believe, and I'm not going to quote it right, and I have down below, by Elijah Muhammad. Elijah Muhammad was teaching years ago how to eat healthy, how to help with your nuclear system, how to help with your health and wellness, how to live young, how to fast, how to grow a business, and so much more. And me as a disciple of God, it's for me to share to the world whoever wants to accept it. It's another book I want you to read. There's a few other books I want you to read if you're interested in business. Business Hustle On. God Creates Cash Flow and the Flea Market Money, and the course that's coming very soon. In that course, you can get step by step in the flea market course, and the course is going to cost you $69.99 for each step. In that step, you should make your money back. The course is the course is 10 steps. I'm just allowing people who want to get into this right? $69.99. Get into the business, right? Go through the course. Make your money back the same day. Make your money back the same day. Because the flea market is bigger than you realize. It's $1 billion business. And you can make a lot of money in the $1 billion business. For sure, I'm telling you. But let's get back to this. Exercising. Exercising 20 minutes. I got 2 young kids, 9 and a 2-year-old. And I try my best to stay active with them. And I have a wife. This will keep up with your libido. You have libido problems. Your system is not working right. It's not working correctly. A man libido could last till he's 100 years old if he protect and watch what he eats, and he takes the vitamins that is needed for his body. He can really get down and have kids to that age. And I know some of y'all say, I don't want to have no more kids. I agree with you. I don't want to have no more children either, but I love kids. So let's do some research on this. And I'm gonna have to wear my glasses on this one to give you some detailed information here. What are vitamins? First of all, what does it means to you? A vitamin is one group of organic substance that is present in many miniature amounts in a natural food stuff. Vitamins are essential to normal metabolism. A vitamin is both an organic and a compound, which means it contains carbon and essential nutrition that a body cannot produce enough of which it needs to get from food. Another thing that I'm serious about, and I'm serious about letting you know, many of you don't get outside enough. 10 minutes of sun, 10 to 15 minutes of sun, not burn, scorching, 10 minutes to 15 minutes of sun will help you get the right amount of vitamin D that goes inside your circular system. Why do you think the comic book Superman, unreal superhero, get more superpower when he reached the sun? The sun is your blessing. Use the sun to get some of the vitamins that you need in your body, the vitamin D that you need. Most of that vitamin D is not going to come from milk, and most of that vitamin D is not going to be coming from creams and all that stuff that you believe that will give you vitamin D. The sun. Oh, I don't want to get burned. I don't want to get cancer. I don't want to get none of that. I pray that you don't get none of it. But the sun is essential for your body. Not for tanning, for your body. That's it. So that's part of the vitamins. I think you should be using vitamins to get a healthy lifestyle. Synthesize. That's another word for the body chemical compound. Is a chemical synthesize your body. Just get it into the active mode of working correctly and checking out your healthy lifestyle. So you really want to have a healthy lifestyle. You want to have a high level of libido. You want to have a high level of energy, and that's for women and men. You want to perhaps stop some of the smoking and drinking is in moderation if that's what you want to do. And also, you probably want to think about not smoking this type of weed. Like some people smoke marijuana, said it bring down depression. It helps level out. It helps you with medical condition and cancer and so forth and so forth. I believe in that. But this kind of marijuana is not grown, right? You don't have no controls of it. Now, if you was growing your marijuana, right, and And since you was growing your marijuana, I believe in that. I believe marijuana supposed to give you munchies. And that's what marijuana used to do for me when I was younger, when I did smoke a little bit with some of my friends. It made me have munchies. It made me less energy. Now, did that help me synchronize my body? Who would have known? I'm 15 years old at that time. Who would have known? And me, marijuana costs too much in the first place for me. So I didn't even bother with it no further. If it wasn't no steak and no vegetables, marijuana costs very too much. And that was a nickel sack back then. So how will vitamins help you? Vitamins will help you in so much more. If you need marijuana, the best thing I'm going to tell you is to grow it. And if you need vitamins, the best vitamins in the world, for me, and you may reconsider and you may say it's not, is melaleuca. I might be an avid component of it because they pay me a little bit. But I'm also an avid component of them because it works for my body. So maybe you consider that. Now, I know you came here for the fragrance, right? Please don't unsubscribe. I have a playlist of all the fragrances down below, right? There's a lot of fragrance here, but I do more than fragrances. And I hope this helps someone down the playlist, down in the future, to help them continue growing their business or getting their health right. If you consider me as being my client, send me an email at justsmellsogood@gmail.com. Now, down below, you can see a cleaning list of some of the stuff I use with melaleuca. It's called Just Smells So Good Cleaning Products. Clean your rug naturally, clean your bathroom naturally, clean your clothes naturally. Who will figure? I like melaleuca. I'm a strong component of it. So, welcome to the Just Smells So Good Nation. Please subscribe, make a comment, share this with all your friends and family today. Peace. Welcome to the Just Smells So Good Nation.